guys, we're on our first full day of our summer vacation. We're at Brentwood Resort, which is one of our favorite hotels in the Victoria area to start off. And we're going to Vegas today. We just wanted to show you this place because it's amazing. Can you see the view, Steve?
I can.
I'll get out of the way. The view is better than me. And then show them the room too.
Our room is very messy right now, but we'll give you a view. Here we go. So there's our bags getting packed. We're about to leave. Lisa's little recliner chairs that she discovered recline. She's very happy with. Lisa absolutely loves this bed. It's very messy, but
Best bed.
best bed ever, she says. She wants to buy it.
Or just live here.
And you've got a great shower. Main shower head. Jacuzzi tub big enough for two, with the view of the water, which is gorgeous at nighttime. Hi everyone.
Soft robes.
All right, sign off for Vegas, Lisa.
See you in Vegas, peeps.